Hey guys, it's Wojtek, the creator of KineVision. I would just like to briefly show you how to use all the tools that I've made. So first of all, take a look at the right hand side. I only have three things here. And I have a pen and I have a rectangle. So of course, you can tap on the selected tool and then you can change its color or the line width, and the new rectangle I make has different properties. The same with pen. I can just tap here, change its color, do something. And now I can tap on the shapes to select them, and I can resize them or move them around. The same with the drawing. And when you do that, look at the left at the garbage icon. It says 1. If I don't select anything, it says 4. That's because there are 4 elements on the canvas. So whenever I select something and I press the trash can, it only removes that one thing. So that's something I wanted to show you because not many people actually know that. The other thing is you may have noticed that I only have 3 tools on the right hand side. Why is that? That's because in the settings, you can go to Tools and Styles and actually configure it the way you like. You have a small preview on the right here, and this is how it's going to appear during the video analysis. So depending on what kind of sport you're into, you might need different tools. So one of the best tools right now is laser. I highly recommend it. I can enable arrow, which is always pretty handy. And maybe I want to have arrow next to the laser. And if I have laser, I don't really need pen, I think. Line is a cool tool because it always helps you do a straight line, horizontal or vertical. I actually use skeleton, so I'm gonna enable it. And this is my tool set. I don't necessarily need rectangle for now. So now when I go back to my library, I can open a video to analyze and I can see the tools that I've picked. Moreover, either here or in the settings, you can choose the colors and they're gonna stay. So let's say I have a green arrow. Let's remember that. All right, green arrow. Now I close it. I open it again. Boom, my arrow is still green. So it's preserved. These are the user settings. All right, so with some of the other features, very quickly, you probably know the comparison. So you can open another video on the site. Let's do the same video. I can trim it if I like, but I'm gonna keep the same. And now I can control basically 2 videos. And I can look for differences. I can check the form. Maybe, these people are recording the same months apart. I can see how they improved. And one of the cool features here is the button at the middle, the yellow one. It actually links the 2 videos. So now when you scrap, you're moving both videos simultaneously. Of course, it's best to get them aligned. So if I start from 0, for example, let's do that. And now I link them, and basically it's the same thing. Cool. What else? Here's the playback speed. You can go to 20%, 25% speed. That's actually more 1/8, sorry. Yeah. You can always stop and go even slower. Of course, you can use your tools. You can select them, move them around. And yeah, that's what I wanted to show you. That's a quick KineVision intro. I hope you like it, and I'm gonna record more. Thanks.